Hi, I'm Kelly Drake, and today I'm going to show you a time-lapse video of me doing one of my pastel illustrations for my new book, A Boy in a Tall Tree. But before that, I just wanted to tell you about the prints that I have available in my new Etsy shop. So as you're enjoying watching the process as I work on my illustrations in these new time-lapse videos, you might decide that one of these would be nice in your children's room or for someone for their birthday, or who knows, maybe you just like it and you'd like to have a print. Well, I've decided to offer these giclée art prints on really nice heavyweight acid-free paper, and you can get them now on my Etsy shop. And as I finish each illustration, I will offer prints up for sale in the Etsy shop. So make sure and stop by there, take a look, and see if there's something you'd like. And now, without further interruption, I will go on to show you the time-lapse video of the river crossing illustration for my new book, A Boy in a Tall Tree. And that completes my illustration of the river crossing in my new book called A Boy and a Tall Tree. I hope you enjoyed the process of illustrating this in soft pastels. And now don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this, and stop by and check out my webpage, my Facebook page, or take a look at my Instagram account if you'd like to learn more about me, my art, and my children's book illustrations.